Welcome to Eric Blackman Music.
Give me one reason to stay here. Now I'm turning back around.
Hi, and welcome to my tutorial on how to play Gimme One Reason by Tracy Chapman on guitar. The guitar is tuned standard E-A-D-G-B-E, and we'll be learning 3 bar chords in order to play this song. The 3 chords we'll need will be F sharp major, B major, and C sharp major. We'll make F sharp major by barring fret 2 with the index finger, bringing in the ring finger and the little finger to the A and D string at fret 4, and then bring in the middle finger to the G string, fret 3. For B major, we'll place a finger on the A string at fret 2 and use the ring finger to bar fret 4 from the D string down. For C sharp major, we'll raise that by 2 frets and going to the 4th fret with the index finger. Here's how we'll be strumming the chords. We'll down pick the low E string as far as our F sharp major chord is concerned. Then we'll pick up from the B string up. We'll down pick again on the low string, and then we'll do an up down like that. So this is what we've got. And we'll strum that way throughout. We'll start the song by striking the low E string open 3 times. And then we'll start into our F sharp chord. Now you notice that we played the open A string preceding the B chord, and then we moved to fret 4 on the A string, struck that note, and then an up down. So it's played this way. Now let's play through all the chord changes so you'll see what you'll have to do for the entire progression. Now notice that when we went to our C sharp chord, we preceded it with a B note, like this. So it was. You'll notice that throughout this song, there are various little blues riffs. In order to play those or to mimic those, we'll go up here to fret 14 and we'll play notes from the minor pentatonic scale, or F sharp minor pentatonic. In order to play those, we're just going to use these 2 frets, fret 14 and fret 16, and go to the B, D, and G strings to play. We'll use those 3 strings to play little riffs like this. Or, and that was on the G and B string. Or, and we'll also move to F major pentatonic, which is here, and that's at fret 11 and fret 13 on the D and G string. And you can go up 1 fret for that kind of effect. Well, all right. That's how I play Gimme One Reason by Tracy Chapman on guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.